Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Today in this video we will learn to make sentences by using the or let in Arabic. So let's get it started. Da da mean let. Here the word da is a fa'il or verb and it's a sigatu amr or infinitive form. The root of this fa'il is wad'un from babu fatha yaftahu. The sigatu madi or past form of this verb is wada'a and the sigatu mudari or present and future form is yada'u and its mean let. Now let's see the structure. At first, da plus domir mansub muttasil or objective pronoun form plus fa'il mudari. Let's see the third person objective forms. The third person objective forms who means him. Let's repeat who, him, who, him, huma, them. It uses for two persons. Huma, them, huma, them, huma, them. It uses for two persons. Whom, them, whom, them. Let's repeat whom, them, whom, them. Ha, her, ha, her. Let's repeat ha, her, ha, her. Huma, them, huma, them. It uses for feminine and two persons. Huma, them, huma, them. Let's repeat huma, them, huma, them. It uses for feminine and two persons. Hunna, them, hunna, them. It uses for feminine and plural. Hunna, them, hunna, them. Let's go to see the first person objective form. First person objective form ni, me, ni, me. Let's repeat ni, me, ni, me. The next na, us, na, us, na, us. Let's repeat na, us, na, us. Let's see the example. Example for third person. Da'hu ayyadrusal kitab. Da'hu ayyadrusal kitab. Let him read the book. Let's repeat da'hu ayyadrusal kitab. Da'hu ayyadrusal kitab. Let him read the book. Here the word da'hu means let him and ayyadrusa mean to read. Al-kitab means the book. Da'hu ayyadrusal kitab. Let him read the book. دعه أن يدرس الكتاب. Let him read the book. The next, دعها أن تسمع الكلام. دعها أن تسمع الكلام. Let her listen to the word. دعها أن تسمع الكلام. Let her listen to the word. Let's repeat. دعها أن تسمع الكلام. دعها أن تسمع الكلام. Let her listen to the word. Let her listen to the word. The next, دعهم أن يذهبوا إلى السوق. دعهم أن يذهبوا إلى السوق. Let them go to the market. Here, دعهم, let them, أن يذهبوا, go to, أن يذهبوا, go to, إلى السوق, the market. Let's repeat. دعهم أن يذهبوا إلى السوق. دعهم أن يذهبوا إلى السوق. Let them go to the market. The next, دعهن. دعهن. Let them, for feminine. دعهن أن يتكلمن. دعهن أن يتكلمن. Let them talk. Let them talk. Here, دعهن, let them, it uses for feminine. And أن يتكلمن means to talk. Let's repeat. دعهن أن يتكلمن. دعهن أن يتكلمن. Let them talk. Let them talk. Let's see the next example. Example for first person. دعني أن أدرس الكتاب. دعني أن أدرس الكتاب. دعني أن أدرس الكتاب. Let me read the book. دعني أن أدرس. Let's repeat. دعني أن أدرس الكتاب. دعني أن أدرس الكتاب. Let me read the book. Here, دعني means let me, أن أدرس means to read, الكتاب means the book. The next, دعني أن تسمع الكلام. دعني أن تسمع الكلام. Let me listen to the word. Let's repeat. دعني أن تسمع الكلام. دعني أن تسمع الكلام. Let me listen to the word. Let me listen to the word. Here, دعني means, here, دعني means let me. أن تسمع means to listen. الكلام means the word. The next, دعني أن أذهب إلى السوق. دعني أن أذهب إلى السوق. Let me go to the market. Let me go to the market. Let's repeat. دعني أن أذهب إلى السوق. دعني أن أذهب إلى السوق. Let me go to the market. The next, دعني أن أتكلم. دعني أن أتكلم. Let me talk. Let's repeat. دعني أن أتكلم. دعني أن أتكلم. Let's repeat. دعني. Here, دعني means let me. أن أتكلم means to talk. Homework. Translate into Arabic. Number 1. Let him eat the food. Number 2. Let her write the story. Number 3. Let them do the work. Number 4. Let me drink the water. Thank you for the washing.